Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sal here at freestockpicks.org. Today, I want to talk to you guys about a really great stock that changed my life a couple years ago that I honestly believe is back to do it again. And I want more and more people to participate this time around. Now, the ticker is called USEI, U.S. Energy Initiatives. They're a hemp to energy company. Now, hemp is used in a various amount of products, from everything from body lotions to all natural foods to plastic, building materials, and even some composites as well. It's got a ton of industrial uses, hemp. Now, USEI recently, as just little as a couple weeks ago, did a stock dividend to current individuals who own the stock. A stock dividend is different from a regular cash dividend where you get money. This time they actually gave stock to individuals who had been invested in the company for a long period of time. USEI also announced that they were going to submit all the updating filing requirements for the company to become in compliance with OTC markets. And that's huge because that returns USEI to being, again, a viable tradable stock again. That's very, very important that the stock actually be in compliance with OTC markets, is where they trade, the over-the-counter market. With that being said, I want to show you guys a little bit of proof of that. So we can see that here, where with the advent of California approving the recreational marijuana laws, which is basically, I believe, the catalyst for USEI really coming back to life here. Again, that market is projected to be a $25 billion industry. Management states that they believe that their experiences over the last 3.5 years, their connections within the industry, and the technology positions USEI to benefit from that new law. All right. And as you can see here, toward the second part of practically the last sentence in that first paragraph, one of the most significant advantages for the company is that the management as well as the company are basically based in California. They are California residents. Now, that was a huge, because California didn't allow legal recreational marijuana, that was very huge for companies that were based in California that had to do business in Colorado and Washington and states where they didn't have any physical location to do business. The legalization of California changes everything now. Now that California is allowing companies to actually apply and get licensed to grow marijuana in the state of California, companies that are based in California are now positioned to actually take advantage of the law and benefit their bottom line. This is a huge, huge, huge thing, guys. Now, they also stated in that corporate update that this week they will begin to restore the current status and reporting to all reporting agencies as well as OTC markets and add all the required filing, as you can see there in that second paragraph. The goal is to put the firm into the position to benefit from incredible options and strategic partnerships that will grow the company. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want you guys to get into this too late. I don't want you guys to get into this too late. If you're listening to my voice right now, don't get in this too late. Look, I'm not asking you to drop in $1 million. I'm not asking you to sell your car to put in this. I'm not asking you to do that. I'm asking you for the money that you're going to throw away anyway, because that's what you use to play penny stocks, right? It's the money that you're going to throw away anyway. The money that you decide, I'm not going to go to McDonald's today. I'm going to use that $10 and buy 10,000 shares of this triple, or I'm not going to go to Wendy's and make myself fat and kill myself with this dirty food. I'm going to invest it in my future. That's the money that I'd like you to take today and look at a stock like USEI, and I want to bring up the chart for you. Look at this chart on USEI, and I want you to look at that chart and see, as we can scroll up, as we're slowly climbing up that 200 moving average now. This is the 200 moving average scrolling, moving average line, as the stock now at 0006 slowly builds itself higher. I don't want you to miss out on those gains. I don't want you to miss out on those gains. I've already seen what this stock can do. I've seen what this stock can do. And I want you to go into the past and look at what the stock did in 2014. Look at what it did in 2012. I've seen those gains. I've seen those gains. And I don't want you to miss out on those things. And now you're saying, well, how are you so confident about this? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. And I want to show you. Because I've already talked about this before. I've talked about this company before. That's me right there on the screen. On January 1st of 2014, when the stock was at 0009, so now we're getting it even cheaper than when I got in. Cheaper than what I got in. Okay? And just to verify, as you can see here, there's the date right there, January 1st, 2014. Cheaper than when I got in. Still on YouTube right now. That's what I love about YouTube, is that all the proof is on the table. All the proof is on the table. Now, I want you to go and look at what the stock did after 2014. Now, for those of you guys who are lazy, we're going to do it for you. All right? Because the run was absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. All right? So as we go back to the charts, this is, I want to say January. Here we are right here. And you see it a little bit there on your screen. You probably barely see it, but that's January the 6th when the stock was at 0004. And less than 3 months later, we're at about a penny a share. We're about a penny a share, guys. But about 3 months later, we're about a penny a share. That's an incredible, incredible return. Well over 1,000, well over 4,000, well over 5,000% from where we are right now. Again, I'm not saying it could do a run like that again. I believe it can. I believe it can. But I just want to tell you so that in the future, when it does do that, not only do I have the proof to say I told you so, but I'm just not the only one who's winning. That you won too. I know many of you guys look at some of these penny stocks and you're wondering if you bought too high. You're wondering why you didn't see it. Now you have an opportunity to get at the ground floor of what I believe is going to be an incredible, unprecedented gain in this stock. You're at the ground floor now. You're at the ground floor now. Now that I've put this out here, you're not going to get it any cheaper. You guys know my following. You're not going to get it any cheaper now than what I just told you. Period. From here on out. We're only going to build up from where we are right now. I've got a lot of other stocks to make videos about. Please go to my website, sign up to my newsletter. Look, guys, I'm not some fly-by-night here. I've been here now long enough to show you guys, to prove to you guys that I love doing this. Nobody loves this more than me because I understand the incredible amount of, value that you can turn a simple $100 investment. I've told you guys many times. I started with $100. $100. Look at the percentage returns that you can generate for yourself with that kind of investment in a stock like this. And that's all I'm asking for, is the same kind of commitment for you, for yourself in 2017. If you don't want to trade this, all I'm saying is get financially invested in the incredible opportunities that are going to be coming in 2017. It's your boy Sal, freestockpicks.org. More videos to come. Please continue to watch and enjoy. Thank you. Sign up for my newsletter, freestockpicks.org. Take care, everyone.